So I have something that's really good for spring and summer and some classic black and white. Classic black and white but we're going to start off with this cotton, and it's just stunning. I did a vest out of it. It is really pretty. It is black and white, but they're opposites. 100% cotton. It's a woven. So it'd be something that would be really fun to do, maybe the bottom out of this and the top out of this. Or you could do a little trim. You could fold it back and top stitch and have a self-binding trim. All kinds of fun stuff. It's a fun fabric. Great, beautiful cotton feel. It feels like cotton. This is the dream fabric. It is a scuba. A black scuba knit, what everybody looks for. It has stretch in both directions. This is your sheath dress, your jacket, pair of pants. Everything is being done with scuba. It's a cotton poly and it's wonderful. And then to kind of go with it, this is a designer, Claudia Brulé, sorry. 100% silk. It's a beautiful piece of fabric. It's not a noisy silk. It's a quiet silk. And it has great drape, as you can see. Just a beautiful piece of fabric. Very, very nice. Then we have this stunning, I love this, reversible. Both sides could be used. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? I could see a jean jacket in it with the pieces cut different ways. Or any kind of little jacket. A dress jacket. I think there's so many things that would be really pretty. But it's very pretty. It's a 100% cotton. It's just a lovely fabric. I mean, the manufacturing on this fabric is just incredible. It cannot be a cheap fabric. I mean, we're going to give you a great price, but it's a very rich looking fabric. This black, I hope you can see this. I'm worried you can't. Has a great texture to it. It's like a waffle texture. It has stretch in both directions, but it can be used for ribbing. I've seen stuff like that, this be used for ribbing before rather than just, striped rib. This kind of has stripes in both directions. Very pretty. Fabric-wise, it's a cotton poly. And then this is 100% viscose. We did just a little twist, a black and cream and brown. But I love this. You can see it looks beautiful with the blacks. And it is 100% viscose. It's a woven. And it's just so pretty. Just great. Anything blouse, it has great drape and it's fun to play. Happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.